Goal setting is the most loved thing around New Year. Every New Year, most of us set goals, but around 90% of the people fall short of achieving those goals. What goes wrong? Why in the world do people not achieve their goals, even after having a whole year to themselves? And if setting goals does not work, then why do we do it? Well, all these questions can be answered if we take a step back and observe the goals that we did set this year or the year before and ask ourselves a series of questions. These questions will help you to understand if you will be able to accomplish your goals this year or will you postpone it to next year. First, are your goals or is it something pushed onto you by society, friends or family? It is very important to make things that actually matter to you to be set as your goal. If you don't really feel like going to the gym, but you are doing it because of peer pressure or because someone called you fat, then stop. You need to understand your goals should always focus on positive energy, never on negative taunts or pressure from society. Now don't misunderstand. I by all means support working out and being healthy. But the effort and energy that you need to have should come from the drive within you. You need to understand keeping your body healthy is the simplest thing that you can do to show it respect and gratitude from your side. Being healthy physically will help you be stronger mentally too. So going to the gym is something that should make you feel happy, enjoy the process and not be impatient for the results. So set some goals that have meaning to you and your life, that are related to your dreams, priorities and desires in life. Goals aren't supposed to be burdens. They're supposed to help you grow and become a better version of yourself. Have you set your goals using the very well-known SMART mnemonic acronym? If yes, then you are probably on the right track. But if not, then reassess the goals that you have set for yourself. See if your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant. Let me explain to you in brief what does this mean. First, specific. That is clear and direction-oriented goals. Instead of saying, I want to be more healthy this year, focus on cutting that extra sugar in your diet, drinking fresh juice this year instead of packed juice boxes. Second, measurable. That is representing your goals in quantifiable terms. For example, I will lose 10 kgs of weight this year. Third, achievable. Make sure your goals are possible in the realm of reality. Having a goal of learning 32 different languages is insanely difficult for a year. Instead, focus on 2 to 3 different languages a year at most. Fourth, relevant. Make sure your goals are relevant to the priorities in life. Your goals should be focused on things that are most important to you. Time bound. Make sure you give yourself sufficient time frame to achieve those goals. These goals can be difficult to achieve, so giving a proper time frame to your goals not only stops you from getting lazy, but also makes management and tracking easier. Third, understand change is going to be a bit difficult. Some days you might want to completely give up, feel sick of the process, or even hate the day that you decided to set that goal up for. But goals are supposed to be a bit difficult. They are supposed to challenge you. Remember, with challenge comes change, and that change is very important for you to grow. So keep that in mind, that you will feel like giving up down the path. Not all the days are sunshines and rainbows. Someday it will rain cats and dogs. But it is important because without rain, plants don't grow, and nor does your character. So be prepared for the challenge and work on not giving up. Fourth, make sure you divide these goals into manageable tasks. You need to divide that huge cake of goal into small pieces that you can finish in small time frame, so that you don't overwhelm yourself with the pressure of looking at that big goal, but focus on smaller section at a time. Fifth, solidify your goals by writing your intentions down on a piece of paper, a journal, or your diary. Make sure you visit these pages every week and track your progress. Add them to your calendar and set reminder for follow-through. This will stop you from falling too behind in the journey. These services will remind you of the things that are really important to you. Whenever in doubt about what actions to take or how to utilize some extra time on your hands, refer to these goals and make sure you dictate your way forward on the right track. 6. Even if you fall off the wagon, don't give up. Start as many times you may need. All of your dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem, deserve to be brought into light. So keep working and keep building. Hey everyone, I'm Mimi. I post videos on study, motivation, productivity, and mental health in general. So if any of these topics seem to be of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing to this channel and clicking on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post out a new video. Until next time, bye bye.